Alright, glue, screws, and chaos fans. What we're going to do today is a simple, quick project. We're going to remove the blades and replace them because it's that time of year. It's springtime. So, let's get started. First thing we're going to need is a jack. The best way to do this is to get underneath the mower.
It's gonna fall. That's gonna fall.
Next, impact. You gotta have impact. Borrow one if you don't have one. And the blades. All right, these are the original blades. Your blades probably may or may not be this big. This is a 72-inch mower, so this is why they're so big. But next, I gotta find the impact socket. So on this project, it's a 15/16, but every mower is different. But changing the blades is similar on every riding mower. So here I go. I'm down low, way low, go way down here. Oh, need to go up. Can you jack it up?
Yeah, that's a lot better. You sure that's not gonna fall?
All right. Oh, I can.
Okay.
Well, I tried my electric impact, so let's move to the air impact and see what we got. I got y'all. Watch this. what I'm more worried about. You start losing air drag, you can't pull the grass upward. Therefore, this blade can be sharpened, but it's best to just go ahead and replace them. Unless you got a small field, a small yard, you ain't nothing to worry about. But anyway, we put some oil on that nut. Let's see what we got. Okay, so I'm not sure if I got good footage of me getting it off, but finally the air impact took it off. They were replaced probably June of last year, so they weren't on there that long. But it's almost like the bolt bent. And yes, I did put lube on it. And it's still that hard. So let me stick it through the hole. All right, now it's time to test them out. I got some little high grass out there. I'll go check it out. All right, y'all, that's your 6-minute fast Jiffy Lube mower blade changing. Honestly, that was a little harder than I thought. The nuts were seized on there. Took 2 impacts to get it off. But if you're trying to get your mower blades off with just a socket and a wrench, borrow an impact. That there will save you a lot of work and a lot of headaches. But again, these mower blades were not that bad if you're just like changing them. If you have a small yard, but we do 10 acres. So yeah, we gotta get rid of those blades and keep nice sharp ones on there for the customer. But yeah, so I hope I helped you, maybe saved you some money, saved you some time, a headache. Use an impact. That's my biggest tip of the day. And we'll see you on the next one.